Welcome to Chef Gio's Latin Table. Today, I'm going to show you how to make my criolla sauce. This criolla sauce, I did it at the restaurant at Mi Havana, and I used it for my chicken mofongo, and the base of it, I also made it into the shrimp mofongo sauce. So, let's get started. I have here a bushel of cilantro, about half of a red pepper, half of a green pepper, a white onion, you can use Spanish onion as well, and about 9 cloves of garlic. I chopped up, diced up for you. Now, you can use less garlic if you like. Okay, so now I'm gonna drop in all the vegetables that I diced up, and I'm gonna let it sweat. Put in like about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm gonna eye it out. Okay, so now we're gonna add a little bit of cilantro. I didn't want to put it in before because I didn't want to really wear it down. So just a little bit to add some flavor to it. I'm gonna move that around. Vegetables are already reduced down. They sweated, good. I have here 3 cups of tomatoes, so crushed tomatoes. Any brand will be good. I'm only gonna add a cup and a half of it. I don't want to make too much of this sauce. I want to use some of this crushed tomato to make something else later on. So that's pretty much about right. So we're gonna move that around and then incorporate it. Now we're gonna add, I have here sazon. So we're gonna add some of this in there, probably half a teaspoon, half of the envelope in there. And then we'll see if it needs any more, we'll add. And then we're also gonna add a cup of chicken base. I have some water already set here on the side. So I'm gonna just whisk it in and get that going. So this is gonna go with our chicken that I grilled a little bit earlier today. And we're gonna just add just slightly a bit to it. And if we need more, we'll just add a little bit more to it. The heat, as I sweated before, I had it at a medium high. I'm trying to reduce it quick. And I'll keep it right now at a medium high as well. All right, so this is already simmering. I use, again, the chicken base to make the sauce for the protein is chicken. But you can use any type of base and you make the sauce for that type of protein. You can use the shrimp, clam, or crab base and incorporate your shrimps in it. You can use pork base and use it for pork chops. You can use beef base and use that for a steak and have the criolla sauce complement each of those things depending on the type of base you use. But this right here, it tastes like chicken. It's great. It's just brings out and makes it shine. Thanks for watching. See you next time.